Off the top tonight, the Waukesha teenager accused of killing his parents faces a new criminal charge. 17-year-old Nikita Kasap is accused of shooting his parents in the head, taking their money, and then living in the home with their bodies for more than a week. 12 News' Nick Bohr is live at the Waukesha County Courthouse tonight. Nick, what are prosecutors claiming with this new charge?
Well, it came out in court today during his arraignment here at the courthouse. Prosecutors said Kasap had mentioned ahead of time to a friend that he had thoughts about killing his parents and himself, but he threatened to harm her if she told anyone. A few months ago, 17-year-old Nikita Kasap was just another student at Waukesha West. Well, now he's in court after gaining national attention, charged with killing his parents and the focus of a federal investigation over a threat to kill President Trump.
I'll call the matter State of Wisconsin versus Nikita Kasap, 25 CF 598.
Kasap is charged with shooting his parents at the Village of Waukesha home they shared and living there for more than a week before stealing their jewelry, cash, and car and skipping town. He was arrested days later in Kansas, where police recovered a gun in the car prosecutors say Kasap used to shoot his parents. Extradited back to Wisconsin, Kasap was in court Wednesday for an arraignment where prosecutors added a new charge.
There is one added count, which is count 10, which is an intimidation of a witness based upon the testimony elicited at the preliminary hearing.
Prosecutors say Kasap had been texting with a high school friend before the murders about possibly killing himself and his parents. She urged him to get help. After speaking with the girl, a detective testified she said Kasap told her, quote, that if she ever told anyone about this, that there was a vague threat of, "You'll regret this." Kasap's public defender said today they wouldn't ask for a new judge and will be fighting the charges.
I'll note that we have discussed the right of substitution. He is not electing to so substitute. He's entering a not guilty plea.
Okay, and then I'll accept the pleas of not guilty.
We learned last month the FBI was looking into a supposed manifesto from Kasap in which he speaks of a plot to kill President Trump and espouses white supremacist ideas.
So, Nick, is there still a chance an FBI warrant could lead to federal charges?
That is still a possibility. I talked to the district attorney here today. She said she's had discussions with the feds and they haven't ruled out any charges related to that larger plot that's alleged. However, she said they assured her that the homicide charges will remain here in Waukesha County Court.
Nick Bohr reporting live tonight in Waukesha. And we posted the criminal complaint in this case as well as the search warrant inside the story on the 12 News mobile app.